Hello friends, this question was asked in Delhi Judicial Services. The question is, A is the accused person whose trial is going on in court of session and he is not represented by an advocate, or he has not engaged an advocate, or maybe the possibility that he do not have sufficient means to engage an advocate. So in this scenario, what is the duty of the court of session? Should court of session keep going on without providing an opportunity to the accused to defend his case through the defense counsel, or there is a other remedy? The remedy and the duty of the court of session is given under section 304 of Code of Criminal Procedure, which says that the court shall provide the accused an advocate so that he could defend himself. The exact language of section 304 subsection 1 is the legal aid to accused at state expense in certain cases, where in a trial court before the court of session the accused is not represented by a pleader, and where it appears to the court that the accused has not sufficient means to engage a pleader, the court shall assign a pleader for his defense at the expense of the state. So it means that at the expense of the state, the court of session shall provide the accused an advocate so that the accused could defend his case in best possible manner. And sometimes also exercising this power, the court of sessions appoints amicus curiae as well. Thank you so much.